Like other social networking apps, Telegram features an unblock option that enables you to restrict someone's access to your account. If you accidentally blocked someone and want to unblock the person, you can easily do it using few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to unblock users on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on Hamburger menu at the top left of your screen. Tap on Settings from the panel. On the Settings page, tap on Privacy and Security. On the Privacy and Security page, under Privacy, tap on Blocked Users. Tap on vertical dots of the person you want to unblock. Tap on Unblock User. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to unblock users on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.